Tim Hortons Roll Up the Rim challenge certainly generates a lot of excitement across Canada. Simultaneously, however, Tim Hortons as a company faces a large amount of criticism for the wastefulness of the sweepstakes. People who come in with their own reusable cup are given an empty cup so that they still have the chance to win. Now, so I understand there's this ecological disaster of these wasted cups that all end up either in the landfill, or if the person is responsible, they may recycle it properly. However, I think that there's a missed opportunity here. The sweepstakes are all really about the reveal. That moment when you roll up the rim, the excitement around that, and revealing what is under the rim. What is the potential of this cup? I think what is lost is the potential to recycle it in a way where we are no longer alienated from the process. So this sat in my coffee cup holder. I thought, oh well, I'll use it as a trash receptacle. There's various potentials. But so surrounding the notion of the reveal, I thought, what else could exist within this cup? So today, I'm going to make a little pinhole lens for my camera from this what was thought to be a wasted cup, a non-victorious cup. Please play again. Well, allow me to play again. So I'm just cutting through the bottom here because there's a nice bit of structure at the bottom of the cup that will act as a good base. See, it is actually the perfect size to fit around the lens mount of my camera here. Okay. And then let's find the center. We'll have to start with that initial reveal. Don't want it to be too big of a hole, but let enough light in for the reveal that allows the photographic process to take place. Let's see how that works. That fits on quite nicely right there, right around the lens mount. It's maybe a slight bit small. Now let's just adjust some of these settings here. Let's increase the shutter speed. Okay, we're starting to see the window through there and out the window. That window is most success here because once again it's that point of revelation, the reveal. The window is like the hole in the cup itself. I wonder what would happen if I extended this even further. Now putting it back on the cup. Now here's the entire rim in play. Let's put this full lens hood there. Oh, that actually maybe increased the results slightly. So we've got the lens hood on there. Let's see, there's that Tim Hortons coffee, the double silhouetted up against the window. There's my front window. There's the cameras looking at each other, a real double experience right there. Double the cameras. Nice lo-fi results. Got my hood on, kind of emulating the pinhole experience, that reveal. Yeah, this hood is actually, the lens hood has done a good job here. There's the rear window. Very Alfred Hitchcocky right there. The temperature right now, reading 11 degrees in this van, pretty toasty. The cameras looking at each other once again. Now let's go to the front windshield. Oh, that's getting a bit bright. I'll increase the shutter speed, decrease the ISO. There's not a lot of definition there. There's my rear view mirror. Bit more of a self-reflection going on here. It's silhouetted in the window. Oh, there's some cars going by. Overall, really quite quality lens here. Beautiful. There's my passenger window with the divide right there. But it all goes to show you that despite the fact that there may not be a free coffee beneath the rim, it reveals the potential of the cup itself, the potential of the contest, and the potential of a material previously seen as being wasteful. So there's our ecological disaster right there. And the best made of it. Now you could win a $5,000 prepaid card from CIBC, and you could probably buy a lens, and then just throw out that cup. You know, it'd be a waste. So the value here, the value of potential, the worth that you create for yourself, the rating, I think, is really limitless. So until next year, that ends the experiment.